Welcome to Lightforth. We're excited to have you here. Lightforth makes your job search easier, faster, and less stressful. Whether you need a tailored resume, help applying to roles, or an AI partner for interview prep, everything starts here. Let me show you around. 1. Creating your job profile. When you land on your dashboard, the first thing to do is create your job profile. This gives Lightforth the context it needs to understand your background and job preferences. Go to Career, Create New. You can build from scratch or upload an existing resume. If you upload one, we'll extract your details automatically. Fill in your name, job title, seniority, resume file, portfolio link, and job preferences like employment type, salary, location, and work style. You can also publish your profile as a shareable URL. Once saved, this profile powers everything else on Lightforth: resume rewriting, auto-apply, and interview prep. 2. Building your resume. On your dashboard, click Build Your Resume or go to My Documents. You can build from scratch, choose a template, pick a job title, and start fresh. Build from a job profile. All fields pre-fill automatically. Upload a resume. Lightforth parses and rebuilds it. Inside the editor, you can use AI suggestions to improve any section. Paste a job description, click Fill My Resume, and Lightforth will rewrite your resume to match that role. Check your ATS score anytime, then download as PDF or text. 3. Using Auto-Apply. Auto-Apply is Lightforth's AI-powered job application system. Step 1. Set job preferences. Auto-Apply depends on your job profile. If you haven't created one yet, do that first. Step 2. Install the Chrome extension. Chrome extension Auto-Apply runs through the extension on Chrome, Brave, or Opera. Install it and log in with your Lightforth account. Step 3. Start applying. Open your extension from the browser toolbar. Make sure you have accounts on job boards like LinkedIn or Indeed. VPN is turned off. You check for occasional CAPTCHAs. Choose a job board. Lightforth works with one at a time. Log in if prompted. The extension will search for jobs that match your preferences and start applying automatically. If your resume doesn't match the job well, Lightforth will generate a tailored version in the background. Tracking applications. Track progress inside the extension under Job History or on your Lightforth dashboard. You'll see job details, statuses, the resume used, and logs for interviews, offers, or rejections. 4. Interview prep. If you're invited for an interview, go to Interview Prep. You can simulate an interview from a job you applied for or create a new one. Enter your job title, resume, and job description. Choose your interview type: general, technical, culture fit, and choose your difficulty level: easy, medium, or hard. Select an AI interviewer voice and click Start Interview. You'll get a performance breakdown, strengths, weaknesses, and suggestions for improvement after each session. 5. Interview Copilot supports you during real interviews, whispering guidance quietly so you can answer confidently. Click Use Copilot. Choose between Web Copilot for simple interviews, Desktop/mobile Copilot for stealth mode. Perfect for coding interviews or screen sharing. Start by entering your job title, resume, and job description. Choose your response style: default, direct answers; headline, structured points; coaching, light guidance. On the Copilot canvas, click Share Interview Screen, choose the correct tab, and share. Click Start Interview and Copilot will listen, generate answers, and guide you. Remember to speak naturally so it doesn't look like you're reading AI responses. 6. Billing, subscription, and credits. Go to Settings, Billing and Subscription to manage your plan, renewal date, and invoices. Credits are the currency for Lightforth's AI features. You'll see your balance and usage on this page. For free credits, use your referral link. Each subscription through your link earns you 5 free credits. Plans. Starter, 20 monthly credits plus 1 daily credit. Pro, 100 monthly credits plus 5 daily credits. Premium, 350 monthly credits plus 5 daily credits. Annual plans save 20%. Credit usage. Each AI action costs 1 credit, including downloading a resume, cover letter writing, auto apply job submission, starting interview prep, starting co-pilot sessions. Credits keep everything simple and predictable, and that's everything you need to navigate Lightforth.